one of the most well-researched approaches, and doesn't mean other approaches aren't effective, but this one's got a really good evidence base behind it. And I like it for its assessment tools. It offers a structure at the start that allows for a really good overview of how that couple's going. So one of the analogies I use is if you went to the doctor with a stomach ache and you said, look, I've got a stomach ache, like I know exactly what you need, and pulled out a big needle and jabbed you in your thigh and were like, okay, you're done. It's like, but how do you know what's wrong with my stomach? Like, what do I need? You haven't touched it, you haven't, taken any bloods. So the Gottman assessment is very much like that. Like it's our version of taking the blood test, feeling the stomach, checking, maybe taking down some history, understanding any allergies, dietary issues. Like we kind of get an overall picture. So then we know, are we treating irritable bowel? Are we treating period pain? Is it your appendix are about to explode? Like there's so many things that could be creating an upset tummy or nausea. And so I like that thorough assessment process. I do pull in techniques from other therapies. And when you start to work with so many, there's a lot of overlap. Some have different words for different things. I love a lot of the emotionally focused therapy techniques. So EFT, I bring some of those in. I'm also a clinical family therapist. So I use a lot of systemic family therapy approaches in my work. And then I pick and choose. The Gottman interventions have got some nice structure to them, and then I incorporate them. Some people don't like that, and I still use those techniques to inform the work that I do, but I might not introduce it as, here's this worksheet and we're doing it together. I have in the back of my mind a bit of a structure and some of the tools that I know are really helpful, and we implement that in a different way. So it provides a really good way of understanding what's happening in a dynamic